Get ready for a classic year at Sight and Sound Theaters in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania and Branson, Missouri. By popular demand, 2 classic Sight and Sound musical productions are ready for one extraordinary encore season in 2013. Sight and Sound's purpose is to present the gospel of Jesus Christ by visualizing and dramatizing the scriptures through inspirational family productions. Sight and Sound is known for its 300-foot wraparound stage, spectacular sets, hundreds of live and animatronic animals, professional casts, and sweeping musical scores. But most importantly, Sight and Sound is known for portraying timeless Bible truths to create an inspirational and uplifting family experience. Returning to Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, the show that inspired a generation, Noah. Now, 18 years and 2.5 million people later, a new generation is ready to experience Noah's spectacular ark and inspiring message of hope. A classic family favorite, the story of Noah is vividly portrayed through stunningly realistic sets, hundreds of live and animatronic animals, and music that touches the heart.
What a beautiful morning you have made, Jehovah. We can face our future unafraid. You shower us with love, with blessings from above. What a beautiful morning you have made. What a beautiful day.
This Sight and Sound classic will run for 1 year only, so don't miss the boat.
The animals are almost loaded. Let's load the last of the supplies. Praise be to Jehovah God. His blessings are never ending. He is the true God above all gods, and his love and mercy endureth forever and forever.
The 2013 season at our theater in Branson, Missouri takes flight with Sight and Sound's brilliantly colorful classic, Joseph. After an extraordinary showing at our theater in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, Joseph became an instant audience favorite. This all-original musical production is an awe-inspiring biblical epic for the entire family.
Unlimited, these things I see. A universe of possibilities here for me. I see you here. I feel your hand. Vast and mysterious is your plan. Oh, if all things start and end with you, then I can believe that dreams do come true. Dreams do come true.
An incredible true story, the spectacular staging, memorable music, and inspirational message of Joseph have powerfully resonated with our patrons, making it an overnight classic.
Sight and Sound's production of Joseph is amazing.
Loved the dancing, the sets, the costumes, the music.
Horses, donkeys, camels, llamas.
I felt like I was just transported back in time.
I liked it when Joseph flew into the sky.
It was fantastic. I absolutely recommend the show to everyone.
You have got to come and see Joseph.
Joseph beautifully captures the heart of our ministry. Spectacular entertainment with the gospel message of hope. Joseph is an epic story of dreams and the power of forgiveness. Experience Joseph and be inspired to dream. And ringing in the 2013 holiday season in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania and Branson, Missouri is the Christmas musical that's become a holiday family tradition, the heartwarming and inspirational Miracle of Christmas.
My soul magnifies the Lord, and my spirit rejoices in God, my Savior. My soul magnifies the Lord. All generations will bless His name. He has held His servant Israel in remembrance of His mercy. The Mighty One has done great things for me, and holy is His name.
Come early and enjoy our on-site Christmas festivities. Meet biblical characters and animal actors while enjoying elaborate decorations and holiday refreshments. Make your visit to Sight and Sound a family Christmas memory, creating an opportunity for lives to be changed through the messages of forgiveness, second chances, and unconditional love. That is Sight and Sound Theater's calling. That is our purpose. With an incredibly talented team of designers, artists, animal trainers, seamstresses, technical crews, actors, ushers, and so many more, we're staying true to our mission while taking steps to innovate and enhance the Sight and Sound experience for a new generation of patrons. As we get ready for a classic year in 2013, we give thanks for God's faithfulness in the past and look forward with excitement to the great things He has in store for the future. For more information, become a friend of Sight and Sound on Facebook and make sure to visit us at sight-sound.com. Sight and Sound Theaters, where the Bible comes to life.